What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, and in today's video I have a lot of value packed in this video for you guys. In this video I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to make money online, and I'm going to show you how this one person is making boatloads of money doing this. And what I really like about this, it doesn't matter where you live, you can do this in any country in the world. It is extremely simple to do, so it's great for beginners. If you're completely new to the channel or new to making money online, this will work for you. It will take just a couple of minutes to do and set up, and already I'm going to show you a tool when 90% of the work is done for you. All you've got to do is the little bit of the 10% that I'm going to show you, and by the end of this video you are going to know exactly how to do this neat little trick or strategy. You're going to know how to set everything up so that it does most of the work for you. And like I said, I'm going to show you someone who has made over exactly $30,000 online doing this exact strategy. And I'm trying to upload value pack videos on the daily, so if you are new to the channel, my name is Jay from the channel Millionaire Mindset, and I'm posting daily videos on the latest tips, tricks and ways to make money online. So I would really appreciate it if you can go down below and subscribe down below if you are new. But without further ado, we're going to get straight into this. So we're quickly going to hop over to Fiverr over here, and I found this listing over here by Amy Ample, who is writing short but effective emails for your email marketing campaign. And I quickly want to show you something really interesting over here. I just want to show you what this person has made. So you can see over here, this person currently has 3,532 ratings. Now, in order to leave a rating on a Fiverr gig, you need to have placed an order. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the minimum package amount and I'm going to multiply this. If I quickly come to my calculator and I type in 30 multiplied by 3,532, this person has actually made well over $105,000 doing this, never mind $30,000. So that is a lot of money that this person has made off this gig. And the best part is this person actually has a hidden trick that they aren't really telling you, and they're not actually doing any of this work themselves. And remember, her baseline package is at $30. Some people could have placed an order for the 150 package, some people for the premium package. So it's a minimum of $105,000 that she has earned. It could be way more than that. So the chances are that Amy has made well over $150,000 just writing short and effective emails for email marketing. But I know what you're thinking. I have no idea how to create these kind of emails or how to type or word any of these emails. But that is why I wanted to make this video and reveal exactly what she does, because the funniest part is neither does she, and she's actually just using one or two tools that are free that is doing this for her. So I quickly want to take you over to this tool over here called Builderall.com. Now, I've been an affiliate for this tool for the last, I would say, year or so. And what I like about this tool, it is an ultimate business builder in a box where you can build email lists, you can run email campaigns, there's email script generators that writes automatically done emails for you. There's CRM and automation systems, chatbots, sitebots, landing pages, private membership areas, blog builders, browser notifications, chat and ticket support, all sorts of tools. And the best part is, if I come over to the plans page, and why I'm using Builderall for this video is they actually have a free plan. So the free plan, you're actually getting all of this stuff over here. You can see the cheated drag and drop builder. What you want to look for is the script generator. Okay, I'm struggling to see it over here, but what I do know is, okay, let me quickly log in. This is my logged in account, and I actually have the free account with Builderall. And you can see over here, I've got what you call a script generator, which is a tool that generates more leads for effective converting. So it basically does all the copywriting and the email writing for you, and you can literally copy and paste that and use that. And that is under the free package, which is very nice. So you don't have to go and pay for the premium plan or the funnel club. So you're also not spending any money on this. So all you're going to do is you're going to log in with your account over here or sign up. So you need to go start now over here if you're completely new to Builderall. So you can either go to builderall.com, or I do have an affiliate link, but you can just go to builderall.com, and then when you're done registered, it will take you to your back office like this, where you can see, if I hover over all the apps, you can see all of your applications over here that you can use. So the one we're going to use is script generator. So I'm going to open this in a new tab. I'm just quickly signing in, and it will load up like this. And you can see here, I can create my own avatar, I can generate scripts for emails, I can save any save templates, I can have a webinar or a VSL generator, and another My Webinar page. The one we are going to click on is called Generate Script, and you can see here all the different niches that we can go and generate email scripts for. For example, for personal development, internet marketing, local business, health and fitness, sales, social media, software, story emails, which is really handy, affiliate marketing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on story emails. You can see Back to the Future, the bizarre story email, the conspiracy email, schools are waste. Let's use this one for example. I'm going to click on this. I'm just waiting for this to load quickly, and have a look at this. This is a done for you email over here. You can see subject, schools a waste. Do you know what happened on November 2nd, 1934? The legendary frontiersman Daniel was born. So it generates these done for you emails that you don't even need to come up with yourself. I can actually go back. Let's go you a reel, for example, another email template that we can use. And what's nice is you can always customize these. So you can see here, you a reel, Henry Ford made his first operational car on June the 4th. So it basically goes, hey there, why am I talking to you about Henry Ford? Because he was a true master of his craft. So it's basically using stories to promote a product that you kind of can edit in. If I actually go back, we can also do, for example, affiliate marketing emails, email scripts. And let's go, for example, a lead magnets welcome email. So I can click on this. I'm just waiting for this to load. You can see here so many done for you emails. Again, the script generator is literally doing all the work for you. So you can see right here, if I kind of relate this back to the Fiverr gig of Amy Ample, you can see her effective email package is an email of about 150 to 200 words. That is one email. The standard package is 5 emails. For the best results, so you're basically getting 5 email templates, and the premium is 10 emails to build a relationship with subscribers and get awesome results, whether it's affiliate links or you want to monetize that email list. And obviously these emails are then selling for $285 for a package of 10 emails, whereas all she's doing, she literally can go to a tool like Builderall script generator and she gets all of these emails done for you. But the thing is, you wouldn't know that because you think that she's just writing these emails, whereas you can just use this tool to get it all done for you. So you're probably wondering why I have short hair now, but I quickly forgot about a hair point that I organized, so I had to go and do that quickly and stop recording. So I quickly came back after about an hour to continue recording this video, so don't mind me in my short hair. But where we have to continue is on our next step is now we're going to have to go and create our Fiverr gig. So what you want to do is before you go and create your gig, you want to go and have a look at what other people are charging, because there is going to be competition with this. Like I've mentioned in a few videos in the past, there's always going to be a competition in anything you do, but it's up to you to have the right mindset to go out there and beat them. So you can see these people are charging $10, $20, $20, $30, $22, $25, $30, $15, $180. So I would say the cheapest is about $10. So what you can do is you can come in at like $9, $10 and you are completely going to beat the competition. So also what you want to do is when creating your gig, you want to have a look at the kind of pictures that they're using. So you can see here, kind of create your own attractive thumbnail, because that is what gets clicks on your gig. But in this case, you can just do something. You can create something simple with like canva.com. So if I come over to Canva, let me just go log in quickly. So yeah, you can see a ton of done for you templates that you can use to build with the drag and drop builder that Canva gives you. So for example, you can start off with one of these templates and you can go and create something similar to any one of these over here. You want to list your gig for at least about $9 to $10. You want to completely underprice yourself to the competition, because obviously your gig is new. You're not necessarily going to rank at the top at first. So you want to have the best price so you can get ranked higher quickly, so more people will order from you, simply because your work is going to be good and your price is going to be the best. And you also want to get other people to rate your gig and leave reviews, 5 stars, good comments, and that's all favors the Fiverr algorithm. And once you get your gig ranked to the top page, you should make that a goal for yourself. This can literally become your full-time career. As you saw, that person that I showed you, this one here made over $100,000 doing this. And if you want to expedite the process, you can go to places like Facebook Marketplace or Facebook groups, and you can go cold outreach to people, especially email marketing, Facebook groups or Instagram pages. You go DM them, send posts on these different groups, and you ask them, hey guys, if anybody's looking for a 10 email series for $10 per email. Here's a link where you can order this off my Fiverr gig. Let me know if you're interested in that, and you can outreach to people, and that's a great way to get people to click on your gig, because remember, when you get people to click on your gig off other platforms, you're giving Fiverr business, and again, that favors the Fiverr algorithm, ultimately ranking you higher and higher each time. And quickly before I end this video, I just wanted to say, if there's any kind of topic that you guys would like me to talk about, definitely leave a comment down below, and I will kind of include that topic in a video and build a strategy for you guys. So definitely leave your comments down below. If it's about affiliate marketing, if it's about cryptocurrency, if it's about anything that you want me to teach you guys, comment down below so I can create these videos for you guys, obviously giving you the most value as possible. Hopefully I can solve your problems from there. But without further ado, I'll also leave a playlist on the screen if you want to go and check that out and learn some more value on Fiverr and selling high income skills off of Fiverr. I'll definitely leave a playlist on the screen. Otherwise, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below. I would really appreciate that, and subscribe if you're new. But until then, take care, and I'll see you soon.